Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dinati Wulandari from Before. For mid-test academic speaking and listening, I will answer the question from Mr. Wahyu. The first one is how academic speaking and listening for effectiveness presentation in seminar. The example is for effective fitness from presentation in seminar is like the presenter is create the draft for their seminar before few days before they presentation and consult with the lecturer or the one is great in the field. So beside the PowerPoint, the draft or the script will help the presenter to speak effectively in seminar, so they will still in the route and didn't overboard or out of the topic. So the second one is the question is how the example help understand subject more deeply. So for help the subject more deeply is like discussion. The simple one is discussion, or the more deep ones is like seminar. Like I say before, is seminar is more, the scale is more bigger and more formal, but the discussion in the small group is help to understand one subject more deeply. And the third one is share ideas and insight with students. So for us as teacher to share ideas and insight with students is like the first one is the simple one is presentation, but it's one way. For the more communicative way is like the discussion like before, but the other format is like debate is more challenging because we can throw one topic, one idea, so we let the student like share their thought or their ideas in with a formal situation or with more academic vibes, so they learn to speak more formally and share their ideas with the topic with more better. So the last one is hear the thought about the other student. So about the speaking in the term speaking and listening, so the hear the thought is other students is like presentation one by one, or maybe presentation individual in front of class, or sharing in private with the student. So we can use the like presentation in public in front of class, or the teacher can use method like one by one, more privately like that. So the second question is about lesson plan for academic listening for kids. Of course, is different. The lesson plan for like for teenager or for like what, like for teenager or for worker is different. So for kids it's mostly they are beginner in the learn, so the lesson plan is likely different. So the lesson plan, the easiest is about academic listening for kids is like from I think for their speaking and their listening for academic purpose, so they can like we can search the video, or we can like make a role play in the simple situation, but still like maybe for they share about their school life, like their academic problems, like this, so they can speaking in a particular theme, in not not daily ones, but they're for their daily near from the closest from daily lives. So like the situation or role play, or they can the lesson plan ones, they can watch the videos in academic situation, like in the class, like the situation the video in the class, or like for the daily use, no, not that daily use, like for the I think the the situation is useful in future, so they can apply it. So that's in maybe we can as teacher, like how the English we use, how the English we talk or we speak in like seminar, in seminar, or like in the uh, formal situation, so they can presentation in English with their level, but more better. Yeah, I think that's the my answer from all question. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.